Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your Roblox Steal the Brainrot game. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Roblox server status. You want to simply go to status.roblox.com and make sure that all systems are operational. If not, then you'll need to wait until Roblox fixes it. The second thing you want to do is leave the game and join again, because this can fix temporary glitches. If that is not the case, it might be your internet connection. So make sure that your internet is stable. You can use a wired connection if possible, or restart your router and avoid VPN. If you're still facing the problem, you can simply press Windows+R and exactly write this in the search bar and delete all files and folder inside it. And that will fix your problem. If it doesn't, then you want to simply go ahead and check if there are any updates for Roblox. Also, check for game updates. And if none of it works, simply disable conflicting extensions like FPS boosters, overlays, and so on. If none of it works, the last option you have is to reinstall Roblox. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.